Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Flutter social apps inside today we need to create here the post and post details. Also need to create here the comment UI we need to develop here. First of all, we need to write down here the one folders inside our codes. Let's to create view inside the new folders and to give this name as a post. And now need to create here the new files and to give this name here the post create post dot start. Need to create here. Now need to create here the stateful widgets. We need to develop this here. Give this name here the create post and need to import here the material dependency. Now need to go inside here the search and need to copy here upload and to paste this here this code. Give this here the post. Let this create here. And now need to save this years to call this inside this button inside need to call go inside the main tab and to give this here the plotting buttons inside need to configure navigations navigator and to create here the material page route. Now need to create here the content that here the indexed not indexed sorry for that const and to give this here the create post view. Like this we need to create here and now need to click here and to open this post creating and now need to go post screens evolution to set here one sling is good like now let here the text fields copy here and to paste this here and to give this here the value. Also need to set here the padding symmetric need to give this here the horizontal 20 so give this here the space need to set this here the 20 and const value. Now need to set here the 16 regular fonts need to set this here like set here and to do this here the and axis alignment that with the start And now also need to give this here the city name, and to set here the font and regulars. Also need to set here the measure sets. Now need to set here the width, tens and height. Also need to set here tens. Set like this height. Give this here width. Set has 8. This set constant value. Need to set this years and to give this here the location image. Relative path and to paste this here. Also need to give this here the verticals base set as a 4 like this set years. And now we need to spacer like this set size boxed. Give this here right. We need to set here 10 const value. We need to set this here. Also we need to give this here the list and to this here the image list. Copy this relative path and to give this here. Like this set. Now need to create here the size box. Give this here the height and to set this here the height as a 19. And also need to create children. This here the list view builders set. And to also give this here the padding point edges insert trick origin to set this here to item counts. We need to give this here the image array dot length. We need to give this here and to returns here the image sets. Give this here the image array and index of the value. We need to give this here. Give this here with 80 and height. So need to give the 80 columns and to also wrap which widget the clip are wrapped. We need to get here. Give this here the border radius. We need to set this here the circulars and to give this here the 10 like this set and to give this here split covers. We need to set this here and also we need to set this here ready only right gives Here the in is good. Also need to give this here the directions. Here's this here axis horizontal to is like see contents need to give this like this value. Displaying goods attends this here 100. This displaying this UI, and this is the post creating UI you need to develop, and here need to your design developing time you need to put that to modify your screen. Now need to only create here the designs and to this click events to give this here the post comment post details need to create here. First of all need to set here the wrap widgets in inkwell tab, set this here. Now need to create here the new files and to give this here the to copy here the user detail screen. Need to copy here, so go inside homes detail view to copy this all. Paste this here like and to this image is not here list. I have already prepared this here and to put this here. Copy that this here and to with this here change this name. That this here and to give this here remove this follower for this no needs this here this here. Also need to remove this grid no needs now. This value that here. So need to see yours and to change this name details this here and to configure these buttons inside the creating post. Selecting image times, you need to give this here the configurations. Navigate that here, put here routes and to configure here. Set this here. Semicolon. Now we need to open this screen here. Also need to give this here the post image. Copy this related path and need to change inside the post details screens. I need to change this background here. Set. Now need to this here screens. Also I need to increase this height here. Set. Now displaying goods and need to shadow. Add shadow. We need to add this here. Like this displaying here the this UI and to check here the font in regular issue. Also need to go inside our the chat. Need to here. Dividers. Space no needs. Copy also here. Also need to give this here the times. Copy this post text. Set and set here the font size. Need to set 13 regular. Set here the secondary text. Here set here the screen size box to give this here the height and to this here the for like this set here the const value. Now displaying goods, no any issue and no need to create here the user. Set here the text and now we need to set here the one property. First of all need to set here the padding point. Edges insert symmetric, we need to set here horizontals 20 and verticals, we need to set this here the 15. like this set. Also need to set here the physics point never scrolls. Need to set this here the never scroll. Physics need to set this here sync wrap. Need to set as a true. Now need to give this here the item counts to set this here as a comment array. Now need to return here the this here object is equal to need to give this here the comment array text of the value as we need to pass map optionals and to give this here the optionals value like this set here this here semicolons like this sets. Also need to give this here the height space inside the bottoms, give this here the height and to set here the 15 like this set, and to set here the const value like this, give this here the comma. Now need to create here the new files. Need to set here the common widgets, create here the comments row, but that's need to copy here the notifications row and to paste this here like set the comment row this here and to rename this here that here comment row. Also need to change this here the name object like this, give this here, and to first of all set here the user image, then after need to this here the name uh, wrap with the row here, and to give this here the main axis alignment and set as a start. Also need to give this here the time, this here cut this here this value, and to copy here and with the name to remove this like this value. Set that like this, set here this value here, and to give this here the times. Also need to set here the comments for this value, comma, and this is the comments row, and so set here the favorite buttons. Copy this relative path and to this here the row inside this button, so need to set this here like this link. Also need to create here the replay buttons. Need to this here the text button, text here, set here the style, set here colors. Need to is set a color secondary text this here like set here the font size, 13 regular, so need to set this here like this value. Now we need to configure this comment row. here displaying CUI. Maybe to no needs here for it also 0. Now we need to go inside here the app. That here the alignments, up alignment start, set like this. And to set here side cut in. Save this here. Also need to set here the size box. Give this here width and to set here like this, displaying this UI here, displaying good. We need to decrease this here font size, set here 10. Also need to decrease this here, set as a 12. Good. And this is the displaying here the comment list. We need to playing here. Now we need to create here the pro. Copy these containers and to paste inside the post details. See, get like this value send to last message. So here the comma. Also we need to remove this one no needs. Import here the step of the give this here the setting. I need to go inside the chat row, copy this here the post details. Share the widgets image. Copy here the user image relative path. Here I need to here share the processes. Goods. Also need to set here the height and width. Set here set also 16 bold. Like displaying here and we need to create here the top buttons for the like comments and more buttons we need to develop this year. So need to this year create here the main axis alignment here as I need to set here the end of line, so need to set this here like. Now need to create here the buttons. Copy here buttons. Three buttons. Once need to set here the more buttons of the last to path and here. After need to give this here the chat button. Copy path here. And also need to give this here the favorite buttons. So need to get here. Copy this here. Displaying goods. This buttons here. And to see your verticals facing. Maybe you need to set as the start. This design, so need to set this here more buttons. Now we need to create here the click events of the this comments buttons and to displaying here the comment view. Create here the new files. Like create, copy this get conversations UI, copy here and to this here I need to change this name. Give this here the comment to give this here the copy here the post details to give this here the value is set here to change this here the titles. See title as comments. Here to this here the array value, copy here the row and to done this comment row sets and see here comment view. See here this buttons no needs. Also need to set here the user details. Actions need to set this here, so need to copy this here. Save this here. And now need to give here the click events and to open this UI details inside and this here get icons, navigation here and to context material page routes to builder text. Set here the comment like this, give this years this value set as a constant. Semicolon. Now need to this also need to this here this click here the detail screen displaying here this comment row need to display. Also need to set here the put info need to set this here the tops. Need to go inside the post details, copy here, copy, and now need to go inside the comment view. The quick widgets and to this here the expanded here. So I need to give this here the padding metric, horizontal 15, so need to CLX, and horizontals need to be also 15, and to verticals give on its value, need to set this as now here displaying, and also need to set here the cross axis alignment, set as a start like this, set here UI here padding 0. Now this comment UI are the done, no any issue. Like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.